Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream more stable. To achieve a lasting, beautiful whipped cream, you need to incorporate a simple stabilizer. This method ensures your cream holds its shape for hours, preventing it from deflating or weeping. We'll focus on using a common kitchen ingredient that makes all the difference. Get ready to elevate your dessert game with perfectly stable whipped cream every time. The secret to stable whipped cream lies in powdered sugar, also known as confectioner's sugar. This sugar typically contains a small amount of cornstarch, which acts as our stabilizer. For every 1 cup of heavy cream, you'll want to add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. The cornstarch in the sugar works by absorbing any excess moisture, preventing your whipped cream from breaking down and becoming watery over time. For the best results, always start with very cold heavy cream, a chilled mixing bowl, and a cold whisk attachment. This cold environment helps the fat globules in the cream emulsify properly, creating a more stable structure. Begin whipping on medium speed, gradually increasing to high. Continue until the cream forms medium stiff peaks that hold their shape when the whisk is lifted, but are not overly stiff or dry. With this simple stabilization method, your whipped cream will maintain its beautiful texture and volume for 2 to 3 days when stored properly in the refrigerator. This makes it ideal for preparing desserts in advance, piping intricate designs, or filling delicate pastries without worry. It's a game changer for any home baker. For more great tips and deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.